blaming the vice president's high-ranking vote for allegedly taking healthcare away from Americans. And that sentiment is getting echoed by other lawmakers as they try to stop it. This bill is a deal with a deal. This bill is and people will
Good morning, guys. Big news this morning. Let's see what we got here. Go here. All right, guys, like the stream? Let's get ready to roll. We are live, coming to you from South Central, my friends. Let's rock and roll. Man, look at this news this morning. Boom. If you notice with this news, you'll see if you go to a higher time frame, usually it goes up and just sweeps. It's sweeping an area, you know. Let me see. Yeah, so you had this here already. It came up and swept this big como se llama. All right, let's get ready. Let me get a cup of tea. All right. My wife is on it, baby. Beautiful. Check gold. Gold is pushing up. Sweet. I like to see a sweep here, guys. That's what I want. That's what I like to see, man. I'm going to go over yesterday's trade real quick. Go to the 5-minute. Guys, if you traded with us yesterday, man, we had a great trade. It went on. I had to get off the stream, man. I don't want to stay on the stream anymore because I was on all morning. But here's the trade. Okay, we originally, let me see if I can see it better. 3-minute? Yeah. Okay, we originally entered the first buy right here. Okay, immediately it went against us. So I took a quick trade here. There was another level here that you can't see. But I took it and we took it right to this one, went in profit for 25 pips. Thank you, sweetie. Okay. Thank you. So we had 25 pips right here, profit. It came up here, rejected again, came down. We took another entry here and another one here. All right. And I told everybody just hold. I had to get off the stream. I don't know. I was already on like an hour and a half. And, you know, I just knew it was going to go up. It's just a matter of time. What happened was it went up all the way. We took 56 pips here, 65 here, another 65 here for a total of 211 pips. So what a trade yesterday, man. Anybody that was in that trade with us, man, congratulations. Great trade, man. We knew what we were getting. We knew what we were waiting for, and it happened. And that's the way you do it. So 211 pips yesterday. Today we're going to get the same thing, man. No, maybe not the same thing, but we'll see. We'll take whatever they give us. Right now it's going up. I want to see it drop and sweep here. Oh, NAS is up all the way. All right, if it sweeps here, I'm probably going to sell. Let me see what it looks like on the day, on the 4-hour. Yeah, I'm comfortable putting a sell there. It's never been up there. It's going to back. You know, it's definitely going to fall back. I shouldn't say definitely, but, you know, it's going to pull back. If it breaks this, I'm definitely taking a sell, guys. That's the daily high. That was just from 8:30. Right? 8:33, something like that. 8:35. That's the deal. I'm waiting for this alarm. US30, same thing. I wanted either to come here or up here. This is the low. See right there? That's the daily low. If it will come down there, that'd be great. But I don't think it's going to do that. Too bullish. The news was real good. We got more news at 10, I believe. Check. 10 o'clock. ISM Manufacturing PMI. No, that's not today. Hold on. I'm always reading the wrong one. Oh, ISM Services PMI is today at 10. So that was manufacturing. Today's services. All right, good. Let's get it, baby. I'm watching them vote on the bill now. They need like a couple of votes. The big, beautiful bill, man. They're tied now, 212 each. Oh, that's an amendment. That ain't even it. Let me change this crap. Oh, what's going on here? All right. Was it something that made you come back again? Man, what a voice, man. Like an angel, man. I might take a buy on gold if it drops a little more, guys, to that fair value gap. Thinking about taking a buy right off this one. Let's see what NAS does. One could ever lead you. I can't lose you. Okay, we're looking for NAS to sweep that high, I guess. That'll be the best move. All right, guys. It's like 15 minutes to New York Open. Then 10 o'clock, we got big news. NAS is dropping now again. It's cloudy out today, man. I gotta go food shopping. I got things to do today, so gotta get my meds, go food shopping. Busy day. Get some stuff for the barbecue tomorrow. And 10 minutes to New York Open, guys. We gotta get a little volume in here. 9:25, it should start. Looking like it's gonna move. Let's see what US30 is doing. I'd rather it come down here and sweep. Yeah, yesterday was a great trade, man. Over 200 pips. It was awesome, man. The idea here is just keep stacking small wins, keep stacking, grow your count. As you grow your count, you raise your lot size. Nice and safe. You know, and that's it. We're going to get there. We got a 5-year plan here. I got to start. I'm trying to get my money together now for my next real estate buy. I've been struggling with it, to tell you the truth, because I got too many things I got to buy. I have some, just made a big purchase, and I may not make my goal this year at 3. I got till the end of August to get number 2 to be on track for my goal, you know. We'll see what happens. I'm not worried about it because I know in the end of the 5 years, I will have reached my goal. But once you get like, a few of them paying every month, it becomes easier and easier to get the next one, you know. Right now I only have one paying $800 a month. We'll get there. We will get there, man. Linktree canceled my whole thing. I don't know what the heck happened. I had Linktree. If you see Linktree, man, ignore it on my. The link don't work anymore. They just threw me off. Or I don't know. I don't even know why, man. Crazy. They don't even say nothing. At least I didn't get it. I didn't get a notification. I have a link out there with Linktree, and it doesn't even work. I got it on probably 50 videos. Crazy. I'll never use them again after that, man. They're dead to me. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be sending out an email because I'm going to make that video, the 6-month report, the State of the Union report. I'm going to probably make that this evening. Showing my back office, my run rate for the last 6 months. I'm not going to show how much is in the account, but I'll show you the diagram of the account going up, and I'll live in so you can see it's a live account. And just the State of the Union, man. So you can see what's going on, how this has been working, and it's been working. I don't know. I haven't done it, man, to tell you the truth. But last time I did it for a whole year, it was the first time I did it. That was back in January, and it covered the previous year, the whole year, and it was 96 point something win rate. So I'm expecting it to be right around there again. It might be a little better. Because as we go along here, we're perfecting this technique a little bit better and better. We're honing it in. And I do have trades open. I have a US30 trade from last week that I'm still holding. But I'm just going to hold it. I'm not worried about it. That's the beauty of using a small lot size. I have plenty of dry powder. I grew my account to a point now that I can absorb these little trades and keep trading and just trade myself out of it. If you see us the way we trade every day, very few times that does happen, but it does happen. That's why you got to be careful, guys. The one thing you got to be careful is, like yesterday, we had three openings. It was 4 total trades, but one we closed right away for plus 25 pips. So those 3 were open, right? All in drawdown. Or, 2 of them were in drawdown. But after that, I would watch for a while. I wouldn't take another trade unless it really dropped dramatically. I would wait, find an important area that it comes to, and then take another buy there. The quickest way to go to blow your account is taking too many trades with this method and just like one every candle. You're taking another buy or whatever. You want to avoid that. You got to be a little patient. It always comes back, guys. It always does. It has so far, anyway. So that's the deal, guys. I'm going to be making that video probably this evening. That's how I get all my errands run. Probably. It's nice out. Probably go swimming or fishing, one or the other. So that's the deal, guys. That's how we're doing it. I discovered trading like this just kind of by accident. I just didn't want to use a stop loss anymore. I got sick and tired of winning 20 trades, losing 30. Winning 30, losing 20, it's just monotonous. I had some success trading before I started this, but obviously if I was successful enough, I wouldn't have been looking for something else, right? But people are like that, man. I'm like that too. You'll see, even if it's your first time watching a trading video and you see this and you like it and you say, wow, this guy's winning. He wins a little every day, he's compounding, blah, blah, blah. You're gonna drift away, start doing other things. It's part of human nature. You have to explore everything, you got to take a beating, for some reason. I don't know what the reason is, but we have to keep looking. It's like shiny, what do they call it? Shiny object syndrome. And you're going to switch guys. You're going to be looking at 100 guys on YouTube. 3/4 of them will never take a live trade, or they're trading on fake accounts with fake results. They're all scammers, man. I'm not here to call anybody out, but just be careful with these people. They're selling $1,000 courses. They won't even take a live trade. And they're driving around in Lambos, man. It's really freaking frustrating, man. What are you going to do? It's the way it is, man. You can get a Lambo here, but it won't be this month. That's what I would say. It's going to take time, and you got to build your account. Unless you come in here with a bunch of money, I wouldn't do that. If you're brand new to trading, I would never. Even when I first started, man, I probably blew 12 accounts. I don't really know how many. It was a lot, probably 12, something like that. But they were $100 accounts, $200, $500 accounts. I didn't come in here and open a $10,000 account and start trading. If you can't turn $100 into $500, you got no business depositing $5,000, $10,000 into a broker account. You really have no business doing that, in my opinion, man. So that's where we're at, man. What was that? NAS. Let me check NAS. Oh, NAS swept. I'm going to sell NAS, guys. Yeah, I'm in on a sell on NAS. Kind of like right there, say. No stop loss. There we go. We are in profit. I'm in profit. We'll see what it does, guys. If it goes up, I'll find another spot, or I'll just hold. All right, let's see. Let me see where I'm going to go with this. Oh, it's pushing up. What time is it? Oh, 9:30, New York Open. Let me see what we got here. We're at an all-time high, man. I'm just going to hold for now, guys. New York just stepped in and pushing it up even higher. Let me see, US30. See gold. And the only one really getting pushed around is NAS. All right, we'll wait. Gold. Get this straightened out here first. It's 30 pips. 57. 73. I might take another sell here, guys. Just watch it from let's see what this caddis candle closes. Okay, I'm going to sell it. I'm in, guys. Tomorrow's a holiday, guys, so I will not be here. In case you guys don't know, as soon as this trade goes into profit, I'm closing this one full. If that happens. It's going to happen, man. Just may not be today, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, right? So I'm just going to hold. Oh, same thing with US30. Let's stick with NAS for now. We got we're in a situation here, man. See if I can find some news about this big, beautiful bill. I wonder what that's going to do if it passes. What was that? I gotta find out where all these notifications are coming from. Just squash them. I'm up about 10 pips. Back to break even. Morning, Tom. Good morning, brother. All right, we're back to break even. Um, 10 o'clock, we got news, man. People send me crazy stuff, man. Hey, we're in profit. It's rolling down. We're gonna roll down now, man. Gotta have faith, bro. Let's go, Naz. Let's go, Naz. Let's go, Mets. That reminds me when I used to go to the Met games, right? Having a little fun, man. Trading should be fun, man. If you're over leveraging, it's not fun. You're always worried. When I first started trading, man, I was like obsessed with dreaming about charts and everything. Now I just take it easy, man. I know that I just keep stacking wins. Pretty soon, these trading days are going to be $500, $600, $1,000. Just a matter of time. As your account grows and you keep raising your lot size, let's get there in a safe way, man. Have a little fun, compound our accounts, and we'll get there. We'll get there together, man. Legendary, man. They're going to be talking about us, writing stories about us, man. How we rocked it, bro. How we just came up. And I don't even care about none of that, to tell you the truth. I'm more interested in real estate right now, to tell you the truth, man. I just don't have, I don't want to take my trading capital right now. I could buy a house right now. That group I'm in, I could have a bunch of houses right now. If you could go in there and buy one on credit, they'll give you a 30-year loan in that at 12%, paid over 5 years. There's plenty of guys in there doing it. I just don't want to take a loan until I got, like, 4 or 5 houses paying. I'm more conservative than most people, man. This young dude in there, Joey's got like 250 houses now. I saw him the other day on a little video. All right, guys, I'm going to close the second entry. I'm getting ready. Okay, I didn't close yet. I should have closed right there, but I didn't press the button. Okay, I'm out. That's it. What was that trade? A few pips. A few pips in the bank, man. Oh, wow, that's 39 pips, man. Let me see how many I actually got. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, I got 39, almost 40. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. NAS, baby. This week started out bad. Not bad. I was winning, but I just wasn't getting big, like, nice trades. Like, 25 pips here, like that. Tomorrow's a holiday, guys, so I will probably get out of this. I'll probably put this as final TP and just call it a day, or at least, I'll probably just take half. Why would I do that? Sometimes I'm just thinking out loud, Let's see. Let's see how it's moving. It's got to get down there first. Okay, hopefully it's going to reject off this fair value gap and then push down more. I looked at ICT for a while. I mean, just a little bit. I couldn't take it, man. It's so boring. It's like going to college to learn how to trade. It's crazy. Guy drags it out, too. I didn't pay him any money, thank God. Well, I'm not saying what he teaches is bad, because I do know some traders that are successful with it, genuinely successful. Latanya is successful with it, I believe. Anyway, I don't really follow that close. And there's this guy, Dodgy. He's successful with it. But, they're selling courses too. I don't think Tanya sells anything. I'm not sure. I know Dodgy does. I'm pretty sure he does. I don't know. I'm that tight. But the only thing I took away from looking at ICT was these fair value gaps, man. And if you just take something, a little piece of something, everywhere you drift off to, eventually you're going to settle in on one of these styles. If you're new, you probably don't even, in a year from now, you're probably going to be trading totally different, unless you just stay here, which in my opinion is a smart way, because I already did all that. But everybody, no matter what you tell people, I'm the same way, man. You have to figure it out. You have to figure it out. You got to see for yourself, man. And the shiny object syndrome, I guess, or whatever it is, always looking for something better. And there's nothing wrong with that, man. You might find something 10 times better. Who the heck knows? But on my journey, man, I figured this out. This is pretty much, I don't know anybody else who trades like this, man. This is pretty simple. And, I mean, the results are there, man. I'll be making another video today, like I said, show my back office for the last 6 months, to June 30th. From, the beginning of the first day of the year, from New Year's Day to June 30th, or, till today, I guess. and we'll show the win percentage, show the slope going up. And we can look at the individual trades, how many we took, how many we won, how many we lost. It shows that back there too. So Henko Trade is pretty good with that. And I don't even understand half the crap back there, but I understand enough that I can see that I found that and I know how to look at that. And that's really important. Most important, really, is your win percentage. I mean, if you're winning at a good rate, and you just keep compounding, you're going to get there, man. You know, you're going to get to whatever your goal is. You're going to get there. It's just how long. I'm not going to get there the same time as you. We have different goals. You know, we have different risk tolerances. You know, so you got to set. You should have two goals, man. You know, your first goal is where you get to a point where you got the amount in the account now where you want to withdraw half every month. Whatever you make that month, you want to withdraw half. That's different for everybody. Mine is different from yours. Could be 5, 10, 20,000, 50,000. I don't know what yours is. And then your second goal should be at a point, I believe, because you know, these are unregulated brokers, man. You know, I see guys bragging all the time online. They got $1 million, $3 million in their, you know, in their Henko Trade account or whatever, man. To me, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, man. Henko Trade closed tomorrow. What are we gonna do? You know, you leave $3 million in there. You gotta be out of your damn mind, bro. I'll never do that, man. I have a number in my head that I'm gonna leave there, and then every month I'm gonna withdraw the whole amount, whatever I win. That's my end goal here, and all that money's going to real estate. I'm not near that goal yet. But, or, you know, you don't have to put it in real estate. Put it in something else. Take it out of the market, man. The market's very risky. Put it in something safer, man. If you're trading like this and you're at a point where you're making a few $1,000s a month, take that money out and put it into something else. Put it into crypto, put it into whatever suits your risk tolerance. You know? I just want to believe these guys, man. They can't be that dumb, man. These $3 million. This thing died tomorrow, man. What are we gonna do? Call the police? You know, what are you gonna do? Your $3 million's gone, bro. Forget it. Makes me laugh, man, some of these videos, you know. I seen one with this dude. I don't like calling people out, so I'm not gonna mention names, man. But he was making believe like he had so much money that he was afraid to go out with his money. He had big stacks of money around him. And he had a guy cutting his hair in his house, the barber, and he paid him $30,000, bro. I almost fell off the chair, man, to cut his hair. I was like, man, come on, man. Crazy, man. People are crazy. There's people out there that fall for this crap, too. That's what's funny, man. That's sad, really, man, because the dude does have money. So he makes these stupid videos, and people buy into it and send him to buy his courses and all that crap. Meanwhile, the guy won't even make a video where he opens a chart and takes a trade. What time is it? I'm yapping today. What the heck's going on? We got like 11 minutes to news. 11 minutes to the news, guys. I don't know what's going to happen during the news. I suspect it's going to push up again. But we'll see. We'll see, man. Hey, Todd, did you hold that trade yesterday? That worked out perfect, my friend. I hope you were in it. Well, let's see. Maybe we got, if this news pushes this down, we'll be out of here early today, man. Hope it don't rain tomorrow, man. Okay, sorry. Hey, you think there's any millionaires that pay $30,000 for a haircut, man, or how many? What percentage you think, man? Looks like we're getting ready to drop. You know, the way the price action is now, if I had to guess, I would say it's going to drop, but this news could make it do the opposite. All right, I'm just going to hold, guys, because I'm going to wait for this news. This is just an early anticipation. Let me see what US30 is doing. Same thing. Gold ain't doing nothing really. $9:53. 7 minutes, guys. I'm gonna take another sell here, guys. Just has a hunch. See what it does. If it doesn't break that high, I'm going to sell it. Oh, it broke it. Wait. I'm still pushing up. If the news pushes it up, I'm going to try to sell it right at, near the top. I might take a sell here if it pushes up again. But I know it's going to go down. It's just a matter of when, How many pips was this one? Oh, we got 39, right? That's what it was. Let me put it here so everybody knows I'm out of this trade already with 39 pips. My trade's closed already, guys. Still got this trade open. I'm ready to take another one. Three minutes to the news. I'm going to sell it here just as a speculation. I'm in on a sell. Right around there. Okay, that has to go there. All right, let's see what happens, guys. If it goes up, it's okay. I got plenty of dry powder. I know it's going to come back. Two minutes. Actually, a minute and a half, minute and 20 minutes. 20 seconds. Crazy. What do you guys think? It's going to go up or down, man? All right, guys. Thank you, Tal. I don't know about that, but I will be. We all will be, man. Win profit. All right. Let's see what we got, man. Right at break even, guys. All right, it's 10 o'clock. That's the news. pushing up. Looks like a little fake out to me, man. We'll see. It's pushing up. Looks like it's running out of steam already, guys. Gravity's going to start affecting it now. The rocket just ran out of fuel, man. See where we're at here. Messed it up. $22,850 maybe. I'm going to take one more sell, guys, over here. If it makes it there, and then I'm just going to hold. Oh. Smell eggs and bacon, man. Ooh, real slow now, man. Ugh, hate that. It surely is a dream. Yeah. All right. If it rings that alarm, I'm going to take one more sell, guys. That's a 22850. Other than that, I'm just going to hold and wait. I got the news on that. I don't want to get a strike. I don't know if they give you a strike for that. If you can hear it on the video. I don't know how it works. Play safe. Yeah, this might be one of those days where it just slowly keeps creeping up. We'll see what happens now. I might just put this sell and then go get ready and go run my errands. And then I'll meet you in the victory circle, man, Monday. Get your victory speech ready, man. What does this say anyway? Open higher, strong jobs data. These job release. See what US30 is doing. Basically the same. Gold headed up again. Somebody's gotta win. All right, I'm going to take this sell, guys. As soon as I hit the alarm, I'm going to push the button. You'll see it pop up over here too, the little pop-up. But the alarm was triggered. There is a delay on YouTube. I think it's like 6 seconds or 8 seconds. Okay, I'm in. And that's it, man. I'm going to let it go now, guys. I'm going to sign off. And we're just going to hold. This is a lot of pips. If it does come down today, if it comes all the way down to this one is, in profit, I'll probably close all of them. So for that to happen, we have to travel about 125 pips, 130 pips, right between there, depending where you got in, from where it is now. All right. And I got to get rid of this alert because it's going to drive me crazy. And we're already in, so I don't need it. All right. That's it. We're in a little profit here. Oh, no, we're not in profit. But anyway, guys, I'm going to call it a day. Make sure you're in the Facebook group. And happy 4th of July to you guys, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll be putting an update in the Facebook group. So cheers, guys. Thanks, man. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, man. I'll see you Monday. Cheers, guys. Take it easy, Tyler.